Good evening, guys. How you all? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking, and today I've chosen one cue card, and that is about describing a restaurant that has recently opened in your town. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak, and I have uploaded like 700 videos. That is a great experience which I've got from the YouTube, and I have utilized my time to this platform. That is very grateful I am, and I feel like this is a very great platform, and we should need to give some sort of time here rather than like consuming. We if we are be a productive person, so that will be good for us as well, because there's a lot of content in YouTube you can learn and you can basically implement in your life as well, that will give you a great reward. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So there was one restaurant which is recently open, and I got to know from one of my friend who have suggested me to basically visit there, because at the time basically there was a discount running on every meal whatever we eat. Like there is a 50% of discount, and so I generally not visit a lot of new basically restaurants, because you don't know basically what kind of food they are offering, if there is delicious or not. That is sometime that is like a waste of money kind of thing happen in multiple places, so that's why I just don't visit. So after visiting the restaurant that is basically near the big bank, which is HDFC Bank, and they have opened in the field of like Chinese and fast food. So I just ate the one what we say chili potato and some sort of spring roll, and we got a huge discount. And if I talk about like space, there is too much of space. Like 20 or 30 people can sit inside and just eat with their friends, or you can say families, right? That was a very space over there. I never seen this much of space in kind of restaurant. Along with that, there is a lot of staff there who can basically listen in a one way. Basically, if you ask him to give something, so he will just listen it. And the hospitality is very fine, and so yeah, it was a very great experience to basically visit new restaurant. I think probably in this field where like fast food industry is too much high, so it's feel like the restaurant is going to be do a great job. Just need to basically manage their things, their tools in a simple way, and just try to express more. That is what more important nowadays businesses, because everyone basically want to do something unique, but at the end that doesn't matter. And I believe that I'll see lots of new businesses running out of money or some sort of things. So yeah, in this basically restaurant, I feel like this is going to be a great business. So for the cue card, basically that is it. And I think probably I spoke around 1 minute 40 second, so there is 20 seconds left which I need to basically speak. And so that will going to be that I'm going to speak on a next video tomorrow. And yeah, so you've been if you have been focusing on learning English language, so you can watch my videos. Once you basically believe in yourself, all the things are you can get that. So just be focused and just try to basically express yourself more in front of people if you are like a English speaker. So that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.